woke up with the weight of 1,000 doubts. Every little flaw screaming way too loud. Mirror on the wall says I'll never be enough, but my ego's in the corner whispering me act tough. I trip on every step like I made before. Still I'm talking like a legend when I barely crawl. These paper thin dreams, yeah, they tear so fast, but I put on my crown like it's built to last. On my house of cards and a hurricane, still I stand tall like I don't feel the rain. Was scared to death they're gonna see right through, but I keep on walking like I own the room. My ego makes me walk like I'm made of gold, even when my head shake, even when I fold. I'm a broken soul that I play too loud, trying to find my place in a place crowd. I'm not that strong, I'm not that tough, but I still keep saying I'm more than enough. Yeah, my ego pulls me up above the bluff, even when I know I'm not good enough. Fuck a big game, I can't back up. Pour another mask in my empty cup. I'm terrified of failing in the spotlight's glow, so I laugh too hard like I'm running the show. People see the fire, never see the ash. They don't see the trouble hiding in my life. I stitch my fears with a louder voice, turn my quiet into all this noise. I'm a brittle heart wrapped in armor steel, acting bulletproof so I don't have to heal. If they never see the cracks in you, maybe I can start to believe it too. My ego makes me walk like I'm made of gold, even when my hands shake, even when I fold. I'm a broken soul that I play too loud, trying to find my place in a place crowd. Yeah. I'm not that strong, I'm not that tough, but I still keep saying I'm more than enough. Yeah, my ego pulls me above the bluff, even when I know I'm not good enough. What if I lay my armor down, let the silence hold the sound? Could I be more than what I fake, more than every boast I make? If I let my fragile pieces show, would you stay or would you go? I'm so tired of acting like a king when I'm just a boy, afraid to sing. I'm tired of the lies that I tell myself, trying to turn my fear into someone else. If I'm not great, can I still belong? If I'm not right, can I still lie home? Makes me walk like I'm made of gold, even when my head shakes, even when I fold. I'm a broken song that I play too loud, trying to find my place in a place crowd. Yeah. I'm not that strong, I'm not that tough, but I still keep saying I'm more than enough. Yeah, my ego pulls me up above the bluff, even when I know I'm not good enough. So here I stand with my fear and pride, both of them fighting on the same side. Maybe I'm flawed, maybe that's the truth, but I keep on saying till I find my proof. Good enough for now, still showing up with a fragile heart and a little bit of luck.